Hey, it's Ike Paz, and today I have for you two brand new niches. We're actually the same niche, but in different formats, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you how one of them is a rising niche in a particular market. And I'm also going to show you the exact keywords you need to target and why this keyword or this niche target is low competition. Also, I have resources down below if you want coloring pages that pertain to this niche. And if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to ask me in the comment section. I'll do my best to respond. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos, guides, and tutorials like this one. Let's begin. All right. So this is the keyword niche I'm exposing today. Pirate coloring book for kids, okay? And I'm also going to go over some of the related keywords that are connected with this little niche. As you can see, it has a monthly search volume of almost 400 searches. Hovering around 378 per month. Okay, so we know that people are actually looking for these types of coloring books. Again, if you want resources on how to create and deploy your own digital asset that you can sell on Amazon as an actual tangible book, make sure you check out the information below. Anyways, we know that people are searching for this. What I want to do now is I want to go ahead, take this keyword, copy it, move it on over to Crispy Prints here, and actually dump it in here. And I want to see the interest level. Okay, so this is going to go through Amazon, and it's going to get me a score for this particular keyword. Takes a little bit of time. Hey, I hope you're liking this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that I can send you more of these types of videos, tutorials, and guides on how to profit online with either affiliate marketing, KDP books, or Printables. I'm able to make a full-time living online doing so, and there's no reason why you can't either. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. Okay, watch the rest of the video. And it has a score of 19. That's decent enough. What if I remove for kids and I have pirate coloring book? Maybe I can get some more keywords up here. Here's a long tail keyword. Let's copy this one, dump it in here, click search. And this long tail keyword actually has even a higher score, which is even better news. Okay, so we have a lots of interest. Okay, especially for this long tail keyword, pirate coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. This is telling us a lot. I'm going to take this new keyword and I'm going to dump it into the Amazon book section. Now, there's a lot of debate here with other KDP book publishers and stuff on whether to use the all or books. I use both, but at the end of the day, the determinant for me, what determines if a niche is highly competitive, is the books search bar. Okay, now we can argue back and forth, but that's what I do, and I profit online with this way. So I'm gonna do this way. Books, pirate coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8. Click search, and boom, just 1,000 results. If you watch any of my videos before, then you know this is a relatively low competition keyword. Okay, and these days, if you're following any of my videos, you know that once my book is published and it has the look inside tab, then I'm going to go off to the races and start advertising for pennies on the dollar to start selling my book. Okay, let's check out some of the top results here. This one right here is a perfect match keyword, right? Almost perfect. Pirate activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. Okay, if we pop in here, you're going to see the look inside tab. You always want to check this out. We're going to check out the look inside tab. It has a copyright message, something you can easily duplicate on Canva. It has the belongs to page, which a lot of low content and puzzle books and activity books have. And we don't get to see the actual coloring book. It goes straight to the back of the book here, which doesn't help us any. But we understand that we want the kids to actually play pirate related games or color pirate related coloring pages or images. Okay, let's check out another one here. Let's go back. Let's check out pirate sticker book, mermaid coloring book, pirate adventures coloring book. Okay, I like this one. Let's check this out. Okay, and nothing here is too difficult to actually buy. You can actually buy, again, I have resources down below, PLR pirate images that you can freely sell on Amazon or off of your site as printables. Okay, here, very good, very simple to understand. Your end user, the parents of the kids are gonna buy this, they give it to their kids, and their kids are gonna color in this book, okay? This is a way to help them pass the time and maybe learn something as they color these different pirate images, okay? Really good, really easy stuff. What I want to do now is show you something new that I haven't shared before regarding the relationship between KDP books that you can sell on Amazon and printables, okay? Now, I also sell printables online. If you've seen any of my channel, you know that I do that. One of the things you have to remember is that people who are searching not for books but for printables don't know they're searching for printables. Do you get my meaning? Sometimes they use words like workbook, or they use words like pages or ditto sheets. And sometimes if they understand the market, they might use printables. But a lot of times your target audience doesn't know the word they need to use to find the product they actually want, right? So even though they want pirate coloring printables, they might use different words like worksheets. So what I like to do is go to Google Trends, another free tool. It's very much like Crispy Prints here with the keyword search. It's here to give you an indication of how popular something is. Okay, pop in your keyword. Okay, now because we don't know exactly how our market is looking for this printable type of keyword, and if you don't know, a printable is just a worksheet someone buys off of your site or off of Etsy in a digital format, and in their house they print it out. So it becomes an actual tangible good, but it starts off as a digital product. Okay, so I'm gonna click the backspace here and just look for pirate coloring, and let's see what Google Trends tells us. Okay, so I'm gonna click search. And it does get, okay, by the way, this isn't search, this is an interest indicator. The higher, the better, okay? And I can tell you that these types of keywords or these types of searches, even though they're low competition, there's very little you have to do to get at the top of Google. You can use Pinterest, for example. I use Pinterest not only as a search engine within Pinterest to get my images to the top of Pinterest, but also to get my Pinterest listing to rise to the top of Google. You can actually do that, okay? Now we have here a search result. We can see it's a breakout. It's at plus 200%. That's really good information. So I'm going to take this new keyword, pirate ship coloring page, and I'm going to apply that, pirate ship coloring page. Let's see what this gets us. Again, this has an increase, or I should say a predicted increase. So this is a rising niche. This is good information for you, okay? Now there's not much information here because again, Google's telling us this is a growing niche. It's grown by 200%. Maybe there's a movie that came out. Maybe there's some kind of book for kids that came out that has people searching for pirate ship coloring page. Whatever the case is, people want this type of product. Now, if you price it correctly, and if you leverage Pinterest or Etsy, or both, truth be told, or Google, then you can get that traffic to your site and sell these types of pirate ship coloring pages. Again, I have resources down below if you don't understand how to profit online with printables or KDP books, okay? So there you go. Here's a rising niche within the printable market. Within Amazon, there's a clear desire for pirate-related coloring books, okay, and it has very little competition. And as we can see here, there's a clear interest in that and search value. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. If you need resources or PLR or pirate images, check out the information below, and I'm happy to help. Okay, so make sure you comment below if you have any questions, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.